everybody, welcome back to Ranger Dog Training. We have Mr. Kevin here. Mr. Kevin is looking for a home. He's a 2-year-old handsome boy here, and he's been working on his basic obedience, so we're going to be working on some stuff. Kevin, come. Place. Sit. Good job. Good. Oh, dropped the hot dog too far. Come back up. Stay. Kevin, come. Kevin, sit. Good. Come, get that hot dog. Kevin, place. You got it. I know you can do it. Come on. No. You sweet thing. Over here. This is what place is. Turn. Sit. Stay. Stay. Back. Oh, you little wiener. You little wiener. You were doing so good yesterday. Come on. Big up there. Okay. Sit. Stay. You're going to get this. You're going to get this. Stay. Stay. Okay, go get it. Good job. Go find it. Go find it. You missed it. There it is. Kevin, come. Kevin. Hey. Place. Sit. Good. Come. Sit. Leave it. Sit. Come on. Back up around. Sit. No. Leave it. Leave it. Let's go. All right, we're gonna give a little backstory on Kevin, who's looking for his forever home. There's a lady that pulled him from the shelter because he was on the euthanasia list, and she had good intentions of pulling him and getting him into a rescue, but a lot of rescues down here were completely full. Kevin's very smart, he's very energetic, but the lady that has him, he's just too much dog for her, you know, and she already has 2 other dogs, and she was just trying to save him to get him into a rescue. He's very smart. When she first got him, he was skinny, malnutrition, and she got him back up to healthy weight. So now she's reached out to us. You know, we're working on some basic obedience with him. We can have him out with dogs, but he's just too pushy, and usually because he hasn't learned his manners. I don't think he's been around other dogs. He's great with people, noises, sounds. You can have him by a leaf blower. He doesn't react. But sometimes on walks, he's very intense of looking at the dog, and we can do that, but we can control him, and I think he can get past that. But he's looking for a forever home. If you can, reach out to us at rangerdogtraining.com, and we are looking to find him a permanent home or a rescue that will take him on and help him out. We appreciate it, and have a nice day. Thank you. Kevin, come. Come here. Good job.